Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll continue east along US Highways 64 and 74 in the state of Tennessee. We begin at the Ocoee River and we'll be following its banks for the next 25 miles. This road is also part of the Southern Highroads Trail, a 364-mile driving loop of scenic and historic highways traversing 14 counties, 4 states, and 4 national forests, providing sightseers and passers-by an array of culinary, hotel, shopping, and recreational options along the way. Finally, this stretch along the Ocoee River is called the Oconee Scenic Byway. We enter the Cherokee National Forest, and on the right is the Ocoee Dam No. 1, a hydroelectric dam that impounds Parkville Reservoir, also known as Ocoee Lake. This is the farthest downstream of 4 dams on the Ocoee River and is operated by the Tennessee Valley Authority. Completed in 1911, Ocoee No. 1 was one of the first hydroelectric projects in Tennessee. The dam is 135 feet high by 840 feet long and has a generating capacity of 24,000 kilowatts. On the right is the Lake Ocoee Inn and Marina, which offers whitewater rafting, cabin rentals, marina services, and an old-school motel with recently updated rooms. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We stopped to clean the windshield at this boat launch that offers access to Big Creek on the other side of the Ocoee River. The Ocoee Scenic Byway is especially prone to rock slides with a mountain right there on the side of the road. The worst rock slide in the route's history occurred near here in November of 2009, blocking the highway for months. The highway was again closed in 2013 due to rock slides. We conclude today's video at Ocoee Dam number 2. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.